Thank you very much for joining me today. My name is Felix Bliss. Now, previous video, I talked about the move tool. Now we are going to the next tool, which is the add. Let us look at the definition of artboard in Photoshop. Now, let me place my cursor on this one and see what Photoshop will tell me. The artboard creates moves or resize multiple canvases. So this is one canvas on each one. The whole of this is one canvas. So if you want to create a multiple canvas, then you have to use the. But let me explain this. The artboard specifically mobile app developers or web developers. Okay. So if you are into programming, I did a little bit of programming and I can develop app as well. So if you're into programming and you want to develop a UI for your app, okay, you just have to create a screen. Okay. In terms of Android, we call it a screen. So you have to create a screen for each of your activities. Okay. So let's say I want to create something like welcoming screen. So I'll design my UI here. So the first one will be my welcoming screen. Then I can click on this, and this one will be my maybe activity one, or let's say screen two. Okay. So from here you can work on this one as well. But for a graphic designer or a photographer, let's say you're using Photoshop and you want to apply the artboard, this is what you can do. Let's say I want to take inspirations from someone design. Okay, I will just go to these pictures here. Okay, I want to take inspiration from this particular design here. I will place this design on this particular canvas. Okay, so that I will work on the artboard one. Okay, so I will just increase the size here, and then I will start to look on it and do the same here. I will look on it and do the same here. So graphic designer, you can follow this method and apply it. Okay, that is very simple to do it. And if you want to resize your artboard, you just have to make sure the artboard is checked, and you see we have this transform controls here. You can resize it to any way you want. You can also change the background, maybe from white to maybe black, or from white to transparent. Okay, and another thing you can do is you can set the screen. As I said, this is most often for mobile developers or web developers. They can just set it for iPhone 5. You just need to choose whatever you want. So let's say I need iPhone X. Okay, so when I click on this, I'm going to have this iPhone X screen here, and you see we have this artboard 2 here. So I can drag the artboard 2 to this side so that I can have this artboard. When I check this, and this artboard is specifically iPhone X. So look at this screen and look at this screen, they are all different. Okay, that is a function of the artboard. And we have another functions here. You can change the width and the height for your artboard as well, and you can also create maybe another screen on the left side by clicking on this. Can click on this sign to create another one on the app to add more. Then you can change the size as I told you. So when I go back here to the artboard, okay, you can have these options here as well, and these options here say change it to horizontal. When I click on this, it will change it to vertical. When I click on this, it will change it to horizontal. And if you want to create another artboard, you can have them here and create another artboard here as well. So that is the artboard for you. So when you come to this particular layers here, we have all the artboard that we have created here. Let us delete them and leave it to 2. Okay, then we can resize this. Can just drag it to this point, and then you have it like this. So this is the very basic thing you need to know about. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't miss the next tool in Photoshop, which is the rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. I will see you in the coming videos. I love you all. Bye bye.